you. This is a GPS tracker. See, this is big GPS tracker, 5000 battery and 3 months work. One time charge, 3 months work. And this is the charger. This side the SIM card charger. This side back side have logging ID. This is owner's GPS. You can see, and you can put the SIM card. SIM card a big one. This is the my SIM card. I can put here. You can see how can I put. This side writing have already. See, same like this. You can put the SIM card. This is front side. This side is front and cutting one in down side. Same like this. Automatically light coming. Go to Play Store, download the application. WINNES and GPS. I have already download, then I can update. And open. There tell password, keyword, customer ID, anything. Then this one no need. You can go for car icon, login by ID. Then have ID there. Number first one ID. Writing have ID first one. (905) first number 905. Give the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Allow already work. And this is the location where you have, and satellite. This one before where you go. See, this is in my building number. Track. This is playback and put the date and time. Playback your before your car, your anything where he go also coming. You can put the time. This is location. And this is refresh. Set admin. This is your number 05. Already I can set number.